What a go on, people, welcome back to Jam Official TV. So I come across a clip where Coco T daughter, Coco T, right, him passed away recently. So his daughter come out and speak out, and she addressed the media and I say her father did not make the right choice in regarding to choosing the right partner for his life. And she vexed and she cut up about everything what is happening. Some of us showed a clip with Uno, and also I don't know if you hear about the story about the Jamaican teacher who allegedly showed nude pictures of himself to one of his students in Florida. So yeah, I'll share these clips with you people. And remember guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe, like and comment, leave all the thoughts down below in the comment section. So yeah, only just watch and leave no comments.
Cocote's first daughter. I am Rashane Scott, and I feel the need to come out and address the media because a lot of people have been asking questions and they need to know the truth about some stuff. First and foremost, may my father's soul rest in peace. My father was a good person, a great icon and a great legend, but my father did not make the right choice as far as choosing a partner for his life, and I'm so caught up about it. Some of the family members been calling me and bashing me and my brother Junior about we not attending the funeral and not there for my dad, and circumstances we cannot attend. First and foremost, thanks to the family that is helping my father to bury and have a good funeral, the cousins.
So what about his wife?
No, the wife not doing anything. First and foremost, the wife take the money and do what she want to do it and mind her man them.
What?
And him family them, him cousin, him nephew them,
back up.
and bury him.
What do you mean mind her man them?
She mind her man. She have a doctor in the house right now. She have doctor in the house, and she used to use the man money, mind her policeman, make her bill up house in the police.
Wow.
I remember it, but apparently she was giving him bond from that time, and he never said nothing, just said it was in Canada, and them spent out the whole of money.
Oh boy, sticky. So that was Coco T daughter, who's apparently being bashed on social media. So guys, coming up next is this Jamaican teacher who is now behind bars and is facing possibility of being deported to the island after allegedly showing nude photos of himself to one of his students in Florida. Jonathan Rowe, 45, a math teacher at K8. Explorer K8 is charged with distributing obscene material to a minor and using a two-way device during the commission of a felony. According to U.S. media reports, a 15-year-old student told police that he was in Rowe's class and asked the teacher to use a photo they had recently taken together. Rowe, the teen, alleged began scrolling through images on his phone, while occasionally pausing on what appeared to be photos of genitalia. The report continues to say that the student reported that Roden asked him to take the phone into the bathroom and take photos of his own genitalia to show the teacher, which he said he refused to do. So people, this is a story that is being developing right now in social media. So people, if you don't like the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'm welcome all new subscribers to the channel. Peace out.